Hey guys, welcome back to another video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. And if you be seeing this video for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. On this channel, I do mukbang and most times I show recipes just like I'm doing today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment what you think of this video. So today guys, I'm going to be running you guys on how to prepare a stewed beans, a very delicious Nigerian stewed beans. So let me run you guys to my recipes. So for this stewed beans, I'll be needing my crayfish, my onion already chopped, my chopped beef, my spring onions, seasoning cube and salt, and that's my meat stock over there. Then I have here my blended pepper. So in here I have my green chili pepper, tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and bell pepper. Yes. So, and of course I have here my beans already cooked. It's soft, as you can see, already cooked to soft. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, I'll start by adding my oil now. So guys, you're waiting for the oil to heat up now so that we can add our onion. So guys, our oil will be heating and it's time to add our onion. Add our onion now, allow it to saute a little. So now guys, it's time for us to add our diced beef. Going to fry it. Allow it to fry a little bit there. Now I start adding the rest of the ingredients. So guys, our meat have been frying. Let's check on the meat now. And wow, it's time to add our blended tomatoes. So guys, I'm going to cover this up and allow the water to dry up a bit. Come back and finish it up. So guys, we'll check on our tomatoes now and start to add the rest of the things. So I'll go in and add my fish. I'll add my seasoning cube and salt. I'm not going to add all this salt. And I'm going to stir. So adding my beef stock now. I would like to boil a little bit, just a little bit before adding the rest of it, before adding the beans. So guys, it's time to add in our beans now. Remember Remember that you have to cook your beans to soft for, because you don't need to add any water. I didn't add, the only water I added was my beef stock. So allow it to boil a little more before we now go in with our spring onions. So guys, our beans have been boiling now, and look at that. It's time for us to add in spring onions, turn it, la, la. Guys, our beans is ready. Look at that. So guys, I'm going to be eating these beans with fried plantain, but you can eat your beans with freshly baked agege bread. I love beans and agege bread, but no, for this I'm going to be eating it with plantain. See you in the dining, guys. Welcome back to my dining. It's time for us to eat our stewed beans. So I'm eating these stewed beans with plantain. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the plantain. So guys, if you are watching my video up to this point and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, let's get down to this food. Let's start eating immediately. So guys, come and join me, let's eat. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. We have come to the end of today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, let me know what you think of this video. Is it a recipe you would love to try? Have you eaten stewed beans before? Let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, until I see you next time, bye.